Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to exclude common spam or fake names from your first name in checkout. So, for example, the test, admin, everything are common spam names. For if I give admin, it will show a message, something like test, it will show the messages. So, it will show you how to set up this particular thing. For this, we are using Checkout Ninja app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this from the Shopify App Store. I also attached the app link in the video description and in the first comment. After installing the app, you can open the app. Then you can go to the rule section and you can create a new checkout rule. You can give a name like first name validation. This is only for your reference, and you can add the condition, and from here you can select first name. You can use this contains or not contains or in the list or not in the list. I'm using the regex validations that will go more inside. So this is one of the regex validation I created. In this, I have added some of the names, common name, test, unknown, dummy. These are the some of the common names used. And after that, I added one more thing. Only characters and the spaces should be allowed, and no other common names should be allowed, right? Then you can add the action. The action is we are showing an error message. So we are doing a first name. You can select the first name, and so you can give an error message like only letters and spaces are allowed. It depends upon your choice. You can save the changes. And once you save the changes, you need to do one more thing. This is only works for Shopify Plus merchants. You can go to settings. We are adding a checkout block. You can go to checkout, customize, and you can add an app block. This one rules executor, and you can save the changes. That's it. Now you successfully made the rule. And if we go to the checkout and if it types something like admin, right, we know admin is in there, so it will show the messages. The message is not that proper, but in your case you can have a different messages. And for regex validation, you can use any regex validation tools, or you can ask on ChatGPT for this particular regex, then it will also give the proper regex. So this is how you can make it. If you're finding this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And the app link is in the description. You can also check it out. Thank you. Happy selling.